Manually transcribing, then translating, it's a slow, stressful, and outdated process.
Oh, this is never gonna end.
Sifting through recordings, transcripts, and reference materials isn't just time-consuming. It's a process that compromises your analysis and guarantees delays.
I think I have messed up nodes. I have to do it again.
Introducing TALKATRON. Go beyond simple transcription and translation. Use generative AI to unlock the deeper meaning and analysis in every voice.
साबुन की खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत ताज़ा और साफ है।
मुझे भी ये खुशबू बहुत पसंद आई। ये जिल्द को नरम और मुलायम बनाती है।
الصابون الجديد رائحته منعشة حقاً.
نعم، وأعتقد أن المكونات طبيعية جداً.
It has a very subtle yet refreshing fragrance, not overpowering at all. I agree, it's perfect for daily use. Wow, TALKATRON really delivered those insights fast. This is amazing.
Imagine creating entire presentations, videos, and podcasts with a single click. With TALKATRON, it's not imagination. It's reality, ready in minutes. With TALKATRON, go from deep analysis to compelling content. Understand what your customers need, create what they love, and win their hearts and minds.
And as you can see, TALKATRON's analysis indicates a very positive reception to the new fragrance.
With TALKATRON, from the classroom to the courtroom, from focus groups to the assembly floor, capture every critical voice and unlock unprecedented insights. TALKATRON gives you the power to understand your customers like never before, opening up a world of possibilities to drive your business forward.
Let's get together over coffee and take the final step.
Tensorminds, summoning the goodness of AI.